Hello everybody and welcome back to my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you peanut punch. I'm going to be doing this with my own recipe, what I use. I'm sure you've seen it done a lot of different ways and with other ingredients added to it, but I'm going to be doing this my style and I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to follow along, the shopping list is there, and now I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right, so ingredients what we're going to be using today are, we've got peanut butter, which is a smooth one. You can use your fresh peanuts or your shelled peanuts if you want to take that time out to shell them and use that. But if you're going to shell the peanuts, you're going to need about a cupful. So this is, I'm using just peanut butter, which is almost just the same thing, just only that it's just purified down. It's going to come out the same as this, so you might as well just get a jar of smooth peanut butter. We've got some oats. We've got our milk. We've got nourishment. We've got condensed milk. We've got our nutmeg. We've got vanilla. We've got malt. We've got our Guinness. We've got our rum, and we're going to be doing most of this with our blender. So that's our ingredients what we're going to be using today. So now I'm going to show you the process of how we do this one. Right, so we've got our processor, we've got our jug, and into that jug we're going to add our oats. So that's our oats going in there, and to that we're going to put our peanut butter. So that's our peanut butter gone into there. Then we're going to put one pint of milk. So that's the first stage, and we're going to blend this out. So I'm going to be doing this, I have to hold the top of this because this jug I need to replace the handle. So we're going to be blending this for 1 minute, and then we're going to do another minute afterwards. This one's a bit temperamental, this jug. So that's about the first minute. And we're just going to let that settle, and then we're going to do it again for another minute. So once we've done that, we'll get back to you. Right, so we've blended this for 2 minutes, so we're just going to take off the top. And it's at this stage where you want to taste it and see if you've got enough of a peanut taste to it. If you need more peanut butter, you can put more in there. I think I'm going to just put another little bit in there and then blend it out again, because I really want to get the peanut taste from this. So I'm going to put that in there and then put another little bit. So I'm going to put that much in there and I'm going to blend it out again. Doesn't matter if how much you blend this out, because remember you got your oats in there and you want your oats to smooth out as well. So if you've got a different blender, I know you're going to be blending it for a bit longer, but this is our high powered one, so I don't need to do it as long. Right, so we're going to just blend this out again. Jug is a very temperamental. Right, so that's it done for the extra minute. So I'm going to just put this aside. Just going to wipe off this side bit. And I've got my jug, what I'm going to be using for the rest of this. So you want to be pouring your mixture into, so this is just your milk and your peanut butter. Then into that, just going to be putting a little bit of I'm using Guinness. You can use stout or dragon stout or whatever you want to use. And I'm going to be using our sweet milk. This is about half a tin. If you need more than this, then you can put it in afterwards. And then we're just going to give this a whiz. put in the rest of our Guinness. And I'm going to grate in our nutmeg. It's about half of a nutmeg. And we're going to put in our nourishment. I'm using the strawberry one. Right, I'm going to add in 1 capful of rum. I don't want to add any more than that. You can if you want, but I don't want to take the taste away from it. And then I'm going to add 2 capfuls of vanilla. And then we've got our malt. We're going to put in some malt. So I'm just going to whisk this in. Right, so we've added all our ingredients. So we're just going to give this a good stir. And I'm going to pour out a glass for you so you can see what it looks like in a glass. So there I have for you. Jamaicans do a version of this, and there's a lot of different versions like I was saying before, but this is how I do my one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know how we're getting on. If you want to see something done, please let us know and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.